I'm pastry chef Maria Kemp of Beyond Decadence, and welcome to Mastering the Details, a series designed to help you be more successful in the kitchen by teaching you tips and tricks. What we're going to learn today is, what does it mean when a recipe says to whisk? Well, I've got some ingredients, dry ingredients in the bowl, some flour and some other things, but I've got some whisk here. And a whisk is just a little wire whip that you use to incorporate ingredients or to mix them together gently. It will blend them together so that way you don't have maybe, for example, like a spot that has a whole lump of salt or a whole lump of baking soda. You're incorporating the ingredients together so it breaks up any lumps and clumps and just mixes everything together beautifully. Now it incorporates a little bit of air, but we're not whipping like that. We're just going to be stirring gently with the whisk. Now some recipes will call you to whisk more vigorously, but this is flour and I don't want it all over the kitchen, so we're going to do it gently. So I have a little baby whisk, which is ideal for this small amount. Whisks come in different sizes. They're just wires attached to a handle. Here's one that's slightly bigger, which is kind of big for this bowl. And then this is a special one. It's a balloon whisk. I believe it's also called a French whisk, and you can use that for beating egg whites or even whipped cream, things that you need to incorporate a lot of air into because it's got that special balloon look to it. So the one that I'm going to use for this example is just a little baby one. So I've got my items in here. I'm putting it down on the bottom of the bowl to make contact, and then I'm just stirring it around. And I'll stop and lift it up, reposition it, and stir a little bit more. And it's great if a recipe tells you to do that, then that's a step that you don't want to skip, because a lot of dry ingredients can be have a lot of little, lumps and clumps in them. Cocoa is one that always has a lot of little balls of cocoa through it. So you want to break those up, because you can go, like that gently if you see some, little lumps, to break it up, and then, continue your gentle stirring motion. So this is all whisking is, plain and simple. A lot of people skip it, but it's really very easy, and it will help your recipe be smoother, your ingredients incorporate better, and you're not going to bite into, a lump of anything, any one ingredient that you don't want to. So there you have it. There is whisking. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on your notifications so that way you'll be notified when I post the next tip on mastering the details. Until next time, I'm Chef Maria, and I'll see you soon.